Hi guys, so I was making this video to talk about this cutting bit for CNC router that for use for plastic. Pretty much I used to use the Amada, the blue one, the Coda one, the blue one. They're like 45 bucks, 50 bucks for 8 inch, and it was so much money, and they don't last too long like they say they do, but. And I bought all these kinds of brands and different ones to try. Uh, Cheaper ones, local ones. There's a shop close to me. They make some, but it seems like they vary a lot. Sometimes they last longer or cut better, and some other times they cut more choppy. Even using the same settings. So I'm chopping around about all these different brands and different ones, you name it, and I couldn't find one that was kind of reliable and they cut good. And I found one, and I wasn't even gonna buy it because it seemed so cheap that I was like, I'm not even gonna take my chances on it. It was like $15, I think, and I ordered one. I started cutting it, and man, I love that bit. It cuts better than the Amada. It's like $15. They always have deals going on, so you can always get them for like 12 bucks, and they last forever too. And they cut so. Let's see if I can. This is a bit that I ran already for a couple hours, about 8 hours, 10 hours straight, cutting a quarter-inch acrylic nonstop in 3/8, and still going strong. Yeah, probably longer than 10. Maybe I got about 15 hours on it, and it's still going. And I know on Black Friday they had like a 25% off discount, so I ordered a whole bunch of them. They're still not here. I haven't got them yet, but I'm gonna show you. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay. So this is the one I use. The number is an 1/8 inch. And they're amazing. I used to use um, the Amada box. Anyway, I used to use the Amada, the Spectrum, whatever they call before. This, I think I some couple new ones, but they never seem to. They're just too expensive, especially if you break one once in a while. It was brand new. It'll fucking hurt. 50 bucks. And this one, I haven't broke a single one since I started using it. I already probably went through about 30 of these, 20 maybe, 20, 30. And I haven't broke a single one, and I push them way harder than the Amada. So if you're looking for cheap bit to cut acrylic, believe me, you won't regret it. No matter what type of machine you have. And I'm cutting a quarter-inch acrylic in one pass, and I'm going pretty fast. I'm going about 100 inches per minute. Uh, sometimes faster. Sometimes I think faster. and so far so good. So I just want to give a shout out to them, and for the price, you can almost buy three bits with the price of one of the other ones. And I try to find places where I can buy the other ones cheaper, but no, everybody. I couldn't find nothing less than $45. So I just think it's too much money for that. I find some local ones around here for about 25, no, about $30. But like I told you, the quality they vary too much. And this you can find them on Amazon, or I'm buying right now directly from them. I'm trying to order like I don't know, 30, 50 at a time. And I order different sizes, quarter inch. Two, I used a quarter inch before, but I think I was using it was too long, so I just bought quarter inch, half inch. Want to try to cut some half inch, see how it does, and I'll let you know, guys. But thank you for watching. I just wanted you guys to save some money and on this bit. I thank you guys.